Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make Zen Browser faster in 2026. If your browser feels slow, laggy, or takes time to load pages, this guide will help you improve its performance step by step. First, restart Zen Browser and close all unnecessary tabs. Too many open tabs can significantly slow down your browsing speed. Next, make sure Zen Browser is updated to the latest version. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Now clear your browser cache, cookies, and temporary files. This helps remove old data that may be slowing things down. Next, disable unnecessary extensions. Some extensions run in the background and consume system resources. Now open the browser settings and enable any performance or memory-saving features if available. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable and fast. Slow internet can make the browser feel sluggish. Now close other heavy applications running on your computer to free up RAM and CPU usage. Next, reduce the number of startup tabs if Zen Browser opens multiple pages automatically. Now restart your computer to refresh system memory and improve overall performance. Finally, if the browser is still slow, consider resetting Zen Browser settings or reinstalling it for a clean and optimized setup. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make Zen Browser faster. Your browsing experience should now be smoother, quicker, and more responsive. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.